Yo! Welcome back to now. Like and subscribe.
We're back, baby. Let's go. Oh, you got to stay with us. Oh yeah!
How we feeling? How we feeling? Thank you. Scared, bro? Have you seen this? I'm dead. Mom, I love you. Mom, I love you. I'm depressed. Almost got a nuts one, but I prioritized the clip over making it out, so I'm very depressed. I just didn't worry about the camera would come out. So close. Bro, I slid my fins out. I just had my bottom turned like too quick. Like my body wasn't on it properly. It did. The fin, like I fully slid. The board slipped sideways under me. This guy's been sliding around a bit too much. Dang, that sucks. We gotta get barreled. That's all I gotta say. Dude, I'm so tired. The paddle out was hard. Hey, here comes the same buggy barrel. Oh yeah. What am I doing? Oh, what the hell? Gotta get a bomb? What the hell? Yo, boys, that was amazing, sir. Yo. Wait, trying to see something now? What? You got footage? You lose a fin! Oh, you dweeb! No. That was my honest reaction. Yo, you didn't even need those. They need to what happened? FCS, man. FCS. Hey, shop with the Sponsor us, please! When I saw you, a wave came over. I had like 4 hydro flasks full of water, and I just vomited up, and the dog started eating it, bro. It was disgusting. Like and subscribe, Lamo! Like and subscribe! Lamos! Yo, sponsor us! What did they do? Look at us. We're stranded. Stranded in the middle of nowhere. Maybe not the middle of nowhere. We're stranded. No jet ski. No idea where they are. No plans. We don't even know if we're going to make it to the island. I got a clip of that, I think.
Yeah, got quality modifications. No good. Frick. No!